Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're making a classic dessert that stood the test of time, baklava. You'll need just a few simple ingredients. Phyllo dough, clarified butter and a rich honey syrup that brings it all together. Chopped nuts, traditionally walnuts, almonds and pistachios. Start by brushing a baking dish with melted butter. Then, carefully layer your phyllo sheets, one at a time, brushing each with more butter. This part is meditative, and yes, patience is key. After a few layers, add a generous handful of your nut mixture. Repeat the layers, dough, butter, nuts, until your pan is full and your hands smell like toasted heaven. Regular butter has water and milk solids, which can make baklava soggy. Clarified butter gives you a crisp finish and better shelf life. Now with a sharp knife, gently score the top into diamonds or squares. This helps it bake evenly and gives you those perfectly shaped pieces when it's time to serve. Phyllo dries out quickly. While working, keep unused sheets covered with a slightly damp kitchen towel to prevent cracking. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius for about 45 minutes until it's golden, crisp, and the aroma fills your kitchen. While it bakes, make the syrup. Sugar, water, a squeeze of lemon juice and honey, simmered until it's smooth and glossy. Here's the magic moment. Pour the cooled syrup over the hot baklava, slowly, letting every layer soak up that sticky sweet goodness. Let it rest, if you can wait, that is. A few hours will give the flavors time to meld and the texture to set just right. Hot baklava plus cooled syrup equals perfect texture. This contrast helps the baklava absorb syrup without becoming soggy. Cutting after baking will shatter the delicate layers. Scoring beforehand keeps your layers intact and helps the syrup soak evenly. And there it is. Flaky, buttery layers, crunchy nuts, and sweet, fragrant syrup in every bite. If you enjoyed this recipe, give us a like, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more homemade favorites. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more delicious recipes.